Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anne Marie, and I am just jumping on really quickly to share my design team haul from Country Craft Creations. And so this, you have seen me, if you followed any of my videos, you've seen me do several projects with this paper collection. This is the Soar paper collection from Country Craft Creations. It's exclusive to Country Craft Creations. You can't get it anywhere else. And yeah, it's available on the website. I will have a link in the description box. And so yeah, that's the paper collection I'm going to use. I've already got my chipboard cut out. I'm going to make, not sure if it's going to be a mini album or a folio. I'll decide when I do it. So I am going to use the, sorry for the glare on this, the artisan cardstock, the linen cardstock in white. I make several projects with the black, which I absolutely love, and the craft, and I think it's called ivory. Yeah, but I don't do many in white, so I'm going to go ahead and do white. I just thought, you'll see in a minute why I thought that would work really well. Then, does anybody see a shaker in my future? I got these crystals, the embellishments from Buttons Galore and More. Tammy carries these on the website, and they'll be linked below. And this is 3 different colors of seam binding. As you can see, this is Kelly Green, I believe this is light pink, and this is purple. So really quickly, I'll go through the paper collection. I think I've already done this, but I'll do it one more time and move this out of the way so you can see these gorgeous papers. This is the cover sheet. Gives you an idea of everything that's inside the bag. So these are the cut aparts. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Lots of butterflies, beautiful flowers, some great little phrases. Accept what is, let go of what was, have faith in what will be. One of my faves. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Soar. And then live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. Be your own kind of beautiful. Good advice. So yeah, those are the cut aparts. The tags, the cut apart tags. This is the cut apart sheet. I absolutely love this. This may make the cover, I don't know. But this has butterflies up here. When angels are near, butterflies are free to fly. I don't know, that could be a cover too. I don't know. So those are the 4x6, and then here's several 3x4s, and then there's a couple banner strips. Oh, and that's the pattern on the back. So right off the bat, when you open this up, I don't think I got the pages out of order, but look at that page. Just absolutely gorgeous. And then that's the reverse. It's a yellow, like kind of a mustardy yellow polka dot. Anybody else loving this one? Oh, it is just gorgeous. And then that's the back. Here's the next page. Again, with the purples and the navy blue and the mustard yellow and the red, it just all goes together so well. That's the back. Now this is my all-time favorite page in the collection. Just love it. Absolutely love it. And then that's polka dots on the back. I love it so much. I made this earlier today with this page, as you can see. Absolutely love it. Check out my videos for my YouTube channel for videos. It's on my YouTube and my Instagram. Both Anne Marie Creates, or Facebook is Anne Marie Creates, and YouTube, and Instagram is at Anne Marie Creates if you want to see the video on that. Look at this. Love this page. And then that's the reverse. Again, another gorgeous page with butterflies, beautiful flowers, purples and gold, purple and mustard. And then that's the reverse. This one is beautiful as well. And that's the B-side. And I think this is the last one. Yes, it does come to an end. But see, I think that's a mason jar. Just look how gorgeous it is with all the wildflowers. And there's some music paper underneath, or in the background. Don't know what it is. I see Hark. I can't really see any other real words. I know they're there. That's the reverse. So that is the Soar paper collection. Again, it's exclusive to Country Craft Creations. You can't get it anywhere else. I will have everything that's in my design team haul. I will have it all linked in the description box. Actually, no, not on this video. My project video. I'll have it all linked in the description box. And I hope you'll come back to watch it. And I'm not going to promise. My plan is for it to be the last project I make with Soar, because I really do need to move on. There's so many other beautiful paper collections. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Thanks for humoring me. I would appreciate a big thumbs up and to like and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.